Welcome back to our channel. Mike and Cora here. Yay! This time we're installing our fence. This is made of angle bars. What dito masukod ay di ay. Gonna show you the Oh, si Dayang nakaambak pero si Dayumi dato raning wa maka kuan. Yay! This is the fence. Yay. See, originally the plan for this one is gonna be the bamboo, but we changed our mind, so we just do it this way, and this one will at least last longer. The bamboo will also last longer, but this is less maintenance here. So yeah, they just installed this yesterday. Ericsson there. So this is so strong. Okay. Nice. Of course you have to put a paint on this one. Painting, yay! Now we get to put paint. I can do my garden in here. Nice. We're excited. We're getting there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6 columns here. So this is what it looks like. We use the angle bar we use is 1.5 by 1/4 and 1 by 1/4. So they use 1.5 on this one. It's the thickness of this one. I think this is how big it is, and then this is the one. So per piece of this one is, I got it for 490 pesos, but that's 20 feet. And this one, the one is 350. That's also 20 feet. So they just cut this and weld it. So we're just making it on our own. That's only the other side. See, there's still a lot of work to do. And that's the other side. We still have some things to do on that other side of the fence. But like I said, we just do it slowly. Whenever they have free time to do this, because there's still a lot of things to do here. Just here, see how many guys is working on this one. What the heck is that? And here it's gonna be up to this part here. It's gonna be the metal. There's our chicken up to here. Because this side here will be the bamboo. I'm going to use bamboo on this side because we're just right there on. That's the restaurant of the resort, the Bohol. So we're kind of like private, to do some privacy for us, to give us some privacy. I think that's the right word. So we're here. That's why I have those bamboos ready. And that's the one that we're gonna use on this side here. Bamboo here, and bamboo all around on the whole side. That's this side here. Yeah, that whole side. That's gonna be the bamboo. Bamboo here. So like I said, the purpose is to give us some privacy on the resort beside us. So that's why we're going to use bamboo. This one here. These are some of the bamboos that we're gonna use. I had those for a while now, and it's kind of like a bigger. This is 2,250 square meters, so there's a lot to fence. And the other side is that one over there. This is not going to be bamboo. I'm going to use those steel on this one, on that side. That side there. That's all the way to the front. See, all the way to the front. All the way to the front, to the ocean part. So this is quite a fence here. There's a lot. It's a lot to do. Work. It's a lot of work. A lot of patience. We had a almost like 3 or 4 days rain, so we kind of slowed there for a while. That's why, yeah, a lot of, well, we're getting there. We just have to do what we're gonna do. This one here, so all the way to the front. Yeah, this one here, all the way to the front. So, me seeing those part there that's already fenced is accomplishment. We're like our little oasis of privacy here. That's why it's even whenever you build something here, whenever you build a place here in the Philippines, you know, try to have patience. Just know what you're doing and the right materials, and just like I said, just patience, because it's different the way they do things here. Just like Meg said, just have patience, and it will be done. So thank you guys for watching. We'll try to upload a video on some of our house construction update, and try to show you some of the expenses that we did on all of this project. And thank you. Have a good day, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless.